When you get to a spot where you need to increase 2 stitches, insert the tip of the right needle from left to right into the first stitch from the tip of the left needle, then wrap the tip of the right needle with the yarn as we do when we knit a stitch. If you hold yarn in your right hand, you will do it like this. If you hold yarn in your left hand, you will do it like this. Then pull the wrap through, forming a new stitch, but don't slip the stitch off the left needle yet, because we're going to work into that stitch 2 more times. The next time we do it, we insert the tip of the right needle into that same stitch from right to left and knit it through the back loop. We wrap the tip of the needle with the yarn and pull the wrap through, but don't slip the stitch off the left needle yet again, because there is one more stitch to make. And this time we go into that stitch, we insert the tip of the right needle from left to right, knitting it through the front loop as usual. Wrap the needle with the yarn, pull the wrap through, and now that we have 3 stitches formed out of this one stitch, we can slip the stitch off the left needle and continue to work on the project. As you see, when we stack these increases on top of each other, they look a bit messy. They don't form this lovely chain of stitches like the centered double increase forms, but this texture is perfect to blend in with textured stitch patterns like seed stitch, for example. See, this is how these increases look in the middle of a seed stitch swatch. But even on their own, even in stockinette stitch, the increases look pretty nice on both sides. See here, they show off that mother stitch, and over here it looks like the stitches are branching out to the right and to the left, which is quite a neat look, and this increase is very easy to make. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time I publish a new video. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.